we had to hang it. Remove wrapper and... Wow, it's roses. So guys,
this is a must-see, but
we got some caramel cake. Just look at that, yum! And then we got some buttermilk. Get the good stuff. KFC, girl. What are we talking about?
bro, Angel, like, you wanna know how much I
Burger.
spent?
How much?
The
And then we got popcorn. Then we got some Subway. Because why not? We got some sweet corn, some Thai chicken salad,
Oh, that
and some
is-
jalapenos. Bro, it's gonna be a feast. Especially this was unexpected. I'm excited for this.
yeah, I was the one who told you to take it.
Then there was a cycling competition in our apartment, and a bunch of people were cycling. I don't really know if it was a competition or they were just cycling together. And then it was Kannada Rajyotsava basically that day, which is like the day glorified for Karnataka. And there was a dude who dressed up exactly like Kishore Kumar and sang. ASMR.
Brand new phone holder, guys. It's like just easier. Get this, guys. It makes life so much easier. So our dad just went to Kerala and he got a few things.
So this one, it smells nice.
I don't know what it is though. Wait, there's
Oh,
something.
it's like such. It's like I've never smelled it before. Like that kind of smell.
You almost hit my face. Feel the
I just
modern
got this
tradition.
close.
It looks so aesthetic.
Rose Jazz Rose.
That distance.
What is this? Some kind of scrubber? Oh, you hang it in places so that smells nice, but like authentic version,
Wow.
Indian version.
That smells real good, but what's in it? I want it.
Rose, Jays, and Roots. That's what it says.
Wow, it's roses.
Wait, is this like seeds or something?
Wow.
Oh, smell this. What are these tablets?
I guess we'd hang it. Remove wrapper and
Smell it. I took a big sniff and how to
wow.
use it.
You took a big whiff of this?
Yeah. Remove the seal and keep
And it's
it
just wrapped in
on the
tissue.
provided rack or hang it using hook stick anywhere in the bathroom. Oh,
It's just
that-
like a wooden
It's
piece.
wooden. Like it smells good and it's wooden.
Oh wow. That's very eco-friendly.
I feel like this is like a ball or a thing. Oh, it's
Interesting.
some achar type thing. I think I told the back of it. Whoa, it's a bowl.
Mandate. It's just 52.
Oh, this is the same thing. I know.
Oh wow.
But neat jar. I didn't even know jars wrote neat, bro.
Neat. I like the NEET. Wow, ceramics really great. That's a little haul.
This one. Who's gonna do these?
I already showed that. Things like boxers or these are calendars. Bye.
And as you all know, my sister keeps buying random stuffs for herself and the family. So she got this for my mom so that she can clean vegetables or stuffs in it. Then we got this cute little cake which tasted really good. She ordered again. And that's it for the video. Like and follow.